Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing for July, and this is also my last one for a while, so yeah, I've canceled, so yeah. Anyway, we've got, as I drop things, first off we got this Alamar Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Dolce. I'm going to be putting this up on my subscription addiction swap site because I don't think this color would be right for me, so that's going to go. Let's see, and that retails for $15. I also got a gel eyeliner. It was green. It was from Appeal Cosmetics. And it retails for $21. I gave that to my mom because I don't use gel eyeliners, so... Then we got this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. It says, feed the skin with versatile super green mask. Formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils. Rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So that's kind of cool. I was kind of excited for that. Next we've got these Luxie Gaia brushes. Let me show you. Here's the brushes. We've got a Luxie 510 foundation brush. It's a flat foundation brush. Then we have the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. They're so nice. I like Luxie brushes. And we've got this Luxie 246 precision crease brush. So those are nice. I can always use some brushes. And lastly is the Butter London Goddess palette. Let me show you. There you go. There's the Natural Goddess palette. It's okay. I'm gonna probably put this up on the swap site as well. So yeah. I mean, the packaging is pretty, but I already have a lot of these colors and something I'd already reached for, so I don't need this palette either. So, and I had points, so I turned them all in for this Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops in Gilded Honey. Oh, let me show you. This is the Dew Dreamer Illuminating Drops in Gilded Honey. It's really pretty. So that's what I turned my points in for. I don't know if I'll be resubscribing or not, so as of right now, this is my last Boxycharm box, so that is it. I hope you guys like unboxing videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. Click the bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.